Hi everyone! Thanks for joining to our demonstration on how to set up the Rentimate lead generation calculator on your website. In today's demo, we will be adding the Rentimate lead generation calculator on a Wix website. For the sake of the demonstration, our team prepared a demo website where we will be adding the Rentimate's home valuation calculator too. Our first step in adding the Rentimate home value lead generating calculator will be to add an HTML element to the screen. The HTML element will include the code snippet we will take from Rentimate in a moment. The code snippet we will be copying will load the calculator every time your web page is being viewed by any visitor. In order to do so, we will first click on the Add Element button in the top left section. Next, we will look for the Embed HTML button and click it. Now, we will need to get the code snippet from Rentimate. Don't worry about the design. This part will be done once the home value calculator is visible. Next, we go to rentimate.com and sign in. In my case, I am already signed in. Look for the Rentimate lead generation button at the top menu and click it. Now, in order to make sure sends leads to your email account, we will create a unique token which will be added to the home value calculator code snippet. Don't worry, this step is super easy. I'll create the token by clicking on the Create Token button. But first, I'll give it a friendly name just in case I decide to create other tokens. Now that we created the token, you can see the token is added to the dropdown. This dropdown is just meant to help you more easily embed the token in the code snippets below. Lastly, I'll copy the code snippet of the home value calculator, which I would like to add into our website. Now that we copied the code snippet, we can paste it to the designated text box and expect the lead generation form to load. Great! Now the home value calculator is successfully loaded. Next, I will resize the window so it can better fit to the website design. I can even add a title right above it. Let's say something like, check your home value. And resize the text and center it as well. I'll place it nicely right above the calculator. Now I'll change the color of the title so it can match the website design. Changing the color of the title to a bright one will help the title to stand out. Looking good. Now let's see how it looks like in preview mode. Excellent. From here, our final stage will be to publish the new version of the website. But before we do so, let's further make sure the calculator is working as expected. Okay, it's to do some testing. We are about to make sure I am getting emails for new leads every time a visitor is using the calculator. I'll type in an address and add a sample contact info. Now, I'll hit the estimate button. Rentimate now is providing a home value estimate and sending an email with the home value estimate to my email account. Next, we will go to my inbox and make sure the email was received successfully. Great! We got the email. The contact information and the address is there. Everything is looking good. Lastly, let's publish the new version of our Wix website. And congratulations! You've got your home value calculator up and running. We hope you found this guide useful, and we look forward to see you grow with Rentimate. As always, if you have any questions about Rentimate or need help getting yourself set up, our team is here to help. Good luck!